Hey y'all, welcome back and welcome to another edition of Tom's Chuck Wagon. Today we're going to cook the ultimate cheeseburger on this grill in this campsite with charcoal, and we're going to throw in some homemade guacamole, so stick around. Okay, so let's get with it. We're going to be cooking with these ingredients, and then I told you we're cooking with charcoal. So how we do it, I've got the little chimney, and I like to use these Weber light cubes, and they're really easy. So let me show you real quick so we can just get on with it. They look like this. You just put them underneath. And we just gotta light them. Boom, that's it. I'll get back with you soon.
Okay, so let's get started on the patties while those charcoals are heating up. All we're doing, we're keeping it super simple. We're starting with 3.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef that we just bought fresh. We definitely prefer fresh over frozen anytime we can get it. We're gonna throw in a couple of packages of Lipton onion soup mix. Just drop it in there and mix it all up. And what we're gonna do after we get it mixed up is we are going to make 8 even patties. And we like to do 8 because hamburger buns come in pack of 8s. And so we can keep them in the refrigerator during the course of the week and eat them as we're hungry. All right, voila, 8 equal patties. And all we've done is the Lipton onion soup mix and the ground beef so far. Grammy Kay gave us this cool little patty maker a few years back, and I really like it. I thought I would show it to you. You just set your burger in there. You can set it to different sizes, and it just presses it out to a perfect burger. So they'll all be basically the same. So that's what we're doing now.
Okay, our charcoals are ready, and now we're gonna put them in. Put our grill on. Let that heat up a little bit. Okay, let's put them on. Oh yeah. Voila, they're on. And here's the thing, leave it closed for about 5 minutes before you want to flip these. If you flip them too early, your burgers will fall apart. So wait about 5 minutes. I'm checking it out. Okay. All right, we're going to look at these burgers and see if they're ready to flip. Absolutely. Give them all a flip. Wow, look at those grill marks. This is where too you may be able to adjust. Some of them are cooking a little faster than others, so we may move those around. Yeah, and move these that are cooking faster over.
Okay, so this guacamole, y'all, is so easy. We've been making this for years, and there's really nothing to it, and there's nothing like fresh guacamole. I'm gonna chop up avocado, lime, jalapeno, tomatoes, some cilantro, some garlic, some purple onion or red onion, throw in a little salt, and voila, we'll be done. So I'm gonna get chopping. Okay, so got everything chopped up, and now all we gotta do is put it together. I'm using the lime squeezer because it makes it so much easier. And the lime not only gives it flavor, but it also keeps the avocado from turning brown quite so quickly. So it's good to have either way. And for this, I'm using a whole lime for this big avocado. You can use as much or as little as you want. All right, and then we're just going to dump everything else in. It's already chopped up. And yes, I did wash my hands after I worked with the hamburger patties, but you know that's the best way to work with hamburger patties. Get everything all mixed together with your fingers. Okay. Then it's just a matter of mixing it all up. Adding in a little salt. And you're good to go.
Okay, now we're going to add cheese to 3 of them. We're not going to put cheese on all of them because we're not going to eat them all right now. Stacie's going to have a Swiss burger with avocado, and I am going to probably have a couple of cheddar burgers. So we'll let those go, and in just a second we're going to take them all off and give them a try. Okay, well, let's see if the cheese is melted and ready to go. Just about. We're going to take these others off. They cooked about a total of 10 minutes, give or take a minute or two. Yep, I'd say that one's ready. Go ahead, that cheese will melt. Take that off. She's trying to get away from me. There we go. All right. We have some excellent cheeseburgers. Okay, let's toast some buns. Okay, yeah. Woo! Those are hot. Toasted. Wow.
I'm ready to eat.
I am too. And on mine, I just used barbecue sauce, and it's one of my recipes that you're probably going to see in a future video. And Stacie, and I put cheddar, obviously. Stacie.
I've got guacamole, and then I just added lettuce and tomato.
And I put my guacamole on the side.
Kept it simple.
And a little lettuce and tomato too. So let's give it a try.
My biggest issue now is how am I going to get this thing in my mouth?
Oh yeah, let's give this a try. Yeah.
Very good.
Very good. And the charcoal gives you that smokiness in the meat. Cooking with charcoal makes a big difference.
I agree. Hamburger over charcoal to me is the best kind of hamburger.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks for joining us.
We'll see you next time. Safe travels.
And happy camping. Bye, y'all.
Bye.